Good morning, dear students. Let us continue our leftover portion of the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, authored by Gordon Cook and Ellen East. We were somewhere here. So, after struggling for almost 15 hours, they could see a small island known as Ile Amsterdam. It was too small. It was appearing just like a needle point in the vast ocean. Okay, pinprick means just like a dot. But unless the wind and sea abated, so we could hoist sail. So here author says that the wind speed and the waves height got subsided, means they become less severe. Abated means to become less severe, to get the effect of something reduced, किसी चीज़ का असर कम हो जाना. So लहरें और तेज़ हवाएं मंदी पड़ चुकी थी. So we could hoist sail. So they could hoist the sail, means the main curtain of the ship or boat, which is used to give a thrust to the boat with the help of wind. So hoist means to erect it. So sail जो मेन पर्दा है उसको वो लगा सकते थे अभी. Our chances would be slim indeed, but he says that their chances of sailing, their chances of going ahead were still very less. Okay, very grim. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action. So their sailing was not feasible, not possible. Why? Because the auxiliary engine, that is the standby engine or a spare engine, was put out of action, means it became unserviceable. वो खराब हो चुका था. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. Means after 36 hours on January 4, they found that there was hardly some water available in the ship, that is few centimeters, very less. बहुत कम पानी बचा था, बाकी वो निकाल चुके थे. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. Now their only duty was to keep throwing out whichever water was coming in. जो भी पानी अंदर आ था उसी को बाहर उनको निकालते रहना था. यही उनका अगला कदम था. We could not set any sail on the main mast. So main mast जो है that was not feasible to be erected or hoisted at that time because engine उनका खराब हो चुका था. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull apart. So if you see a boat, okay, so main mast is like that. It is like that, main mast. This is main mast, main pole, okay, and with the pressure of the wind, this curtain will get pushed that side. In that case, whatever rigging lines, mean जो भी रस्सियाँ उससे बांधी हुई हैं, वो प्रेशर से, टेंशन से इसके जो मेन जो हल है, जो मेन बॉडी पोर्शन है लेफ्ट साइड्स का, उसको भी उखाड़ के ले जा सकती हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट ही मीन टू से. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे डिडंट want to get a chance. Okay, they didn't want to take the chance of getting it further damaged. So we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were. So they just kept on moving ahead with the help of storm jib, that is small curtains, not the big sail, and they kept on going towards the two islands which they could see. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. So after 2 days, they had their first meal, and that was corned beef. Beef, like cow meat, which was laced with baked corn, okay, and some cracker biscuits were there. So they had these items. But our respite was shortly. Respite means relief. Their comfort zone was very short. Very you can say temporary it was. At 4 p.m. black clouds began building up behind us. Means ये टेम्परेरी था इनका जो रिलीफ था. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 बजे के आसपास फिर से ब्लैक क्लाउड्स उनके पीछे दिखने लगे थे. Within the hour of wind was back to 40 knots and the seas were getting higher. Means within an hour the wind speed uh, rose to 40 knots, 40 nautical miles per hour. Okay, and the seas were getting higher, means the waves were rising high and high. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night, means throughout the night the weather became worse, and by dawn, dawn means morning, on January 5, our situation was again desperate. So on 5th January morning, the situation was again painful, desperate, hopeless. Okay, hopeless, desperate, full of distress. So when I went to the comfort of the went when I went in to comfort the children, John asked, "Daddy, are we going to die?" So अभी कैप्टन गॉर्डन कुक जब जाते हैं अपने बच्चों से मिलने के लिए, तो उनका जो बेटा है जोनाथन, ही आस्क्ड हिम, आर वी गोइंग टू डाई, क्या मरने वाले हैं? आई ट्राइड टू अश्योर हिम दैट वी कुड मेक इट. So assure means to give assurance or to take somebody's trust. Okay, to make somebody trust something. Okay, किसी का विश्वास दिलाना. So I tried to assure him, I tried to convince him that we will win or we will overcome the situation, nothing to worry about. But Daddy, he went on, we aren't afraid to die, afraid of dying, if we can all be together, you and Mummy, Sue and I. So this was very matter of encouragement. Okay, and this was a daring statement by his son, that is Jonathan. Okay, as a small child, he expressed his utmost sense of courage and high moral. He said, if we stay together, all of us at this time, then definitely we are going to win. I could find no words with which to respond, but I left the children's cabin determined to fight this sea with everything I had. So he became somewhat emotional by his words, by the courageous words of his son. So he couldn't reply that, but he left the cabin and he became more resolute to fight the adverse weather conditions of the sea with his extreme potential. To protect the weakened starboard side, means right side, शिप के राइट साइड का जो पोर्शन उसको बचाने के लिए आई डिसाइडेड टू हीव टू मीन्स टू स्टॉप. मैंने शिप को रोकने की कोशिश की वहीं पे विद द अनडैमेज्ड पोर्ट हल फेसिंग दी ऑनकमिंग वेव्स. और जो वेव्स सामने से आ रही थी उनको फेस करने के लिए मैंने जो अनडैमेज्ड, जो अच्छा वाला पोर्शन था शिप का, हल का, वो उसकी तरफ लगा दिया, सो दैट इससे कम डैमेज हो. Using an improvised sea anchor of heavy nylon rope and 222-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. So heave to means stopped, anchoring. So he stopped the ship by the or with the help of nylon rope and 2 paraffin, that is a liquid fuel. There were 22 liters, 2 barrels of 22 liters each. They were used for anchoring there. Anchor means an equipment used to, it is somewhat this arrow shaped and it is put down in the sea to get sink in the mud or in water so that it can stop the mobility of the ship. That evening Mary and I sat together holding hands. As the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks, we both felt the end was very near. मैरी उसकी वाइफ और दोनों एक साथ बैठे रहे और वो as the motion of the ship brought more and more water into, so as the ship was moving ahead, more and more water was coming inside it, and it was a matter of worry for both of them. So they thought that they were about to die. Means गॉर्डन को उसकी वाइफ को लग रहा था कि उनकी जो डेथ है वो नज़दीक है. But Waywaker rode out the storm, and by the morning of January 6, with the wind easing, I tried to get a reading on the sextant. So, but the Waywaker, the ship went on sailing continuously, and on January 6 morning, the wind got eased, means wind speed became less. Weather थोड़ा सा ठीक हो गया था. I tried to get a reading on the sextant. Sextant is, an equipment which is mounted at an angle of 60-degree arc. Okay, 60 degree. That's why it is known as sextant. And through this, we put an eye to have an aerial vision. Okay, aerial distance देखने के लिए किसी भी चीज़ की, कोई आइलैंड हो या कुछ भी हो, हम इसके थ्रू देखते हैं कि what is the aerial distance of that place. So he tried to look at the islands by means of sextant back in the chart room. So chart room actual place where the locality of places and route charts are found. I worked on wind speeds. Changes of course. So here author started doing his study about the speed of the wind and at what speed, in how much time it was changing, okay, whether it was increasing or decreasing. Drift and current in an effort. Drift and current means the drift is pulling back, okay, means in opposite direction of water. If you are going opposite to the water speed or the flow of water, then we are facing a drift, okay, रुकावट. And current means flow of water. So in an effort to calculate, so he was calculating the current of the water, change in the speed and direction of the wind, everything, to calculate his position, the position of their ship, कि हम कहाँ पे हैं अभी इस बहुत बड़े ओशन में. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65 kilometers wide island. So he could calculate that they were almost 1.5 lakh kilometers away from their actual position in the Indian Ocean, and there they were searching an island which was just 65 kilometers wide. So you can contrast the area, 1,50,000 kilometers distance and 65 kilometers, just 65 kilometers island. So obviously it was a pinprick island, it was just like a dot. While I was thinking, Sue means Susanne, his daughter, moving painfully joined me. She was suffering from pain because she got injured during the accident or when the shipwreck took place. Okay, the shipwreck, SHIPWRECK. Shipwreck means when a ship gets damaged due to storm or cyclones or gusty waves and tidal waves. Okay, gusty winds and tidal waves. So that is known as shipwreck, जहाज का टूट जाना. The left side of her head was now very swollen and her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. Means उसकी आंखों में बहुत सूजन आ चुका था और narrowed slits, उसकी आंखें बिल्कुल narrowed दिखाई दे रही थी, बहुत ही कम दिखाई दे रही थी, because swelling आ गई थी आंखों पे. She gave me a card she had made, and she gave me a card. Okay, उन्होंने कोई कार्ड टाइप बनाया था. On the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words. On the front side of the card, they had made some figures. Caricatures means figures or sketches of me and my wife Mary, and on the and some words were written there. What were those words? Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? I laughed a lot as well. Okay, these were the words written on that card. Inside was a message, and what that message? Oh, how I love you both. Means Suzanne is saying these words to her parents. How I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. We have prepared this card somehow, and they wanted to amuse their parents, okay, in that distressful situation. तनाव की स्थिति में अपने पेरेंट्स को थोड़े से रिलीफ देना चाहते थे. दैट्स वाई दे प्रिपेयर दिस कार्ड. आई चेक्ड एंड रीचेक्ड माई कैलकुलेशंस. Calculation means how far they were from the main island. We had lost our main compass and I was using a spare which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. So compass, as you know, that it is a direction indicator, okay, it is a direction indicator, and in 4 directions, that is east, west, north, south. Which direction we are heading, this needle, that is its fork will move to indicate the direction. So they had lost their main compass and a spare compass, एक एक्स्ट्रा कंपास उनके पास थी, which was not corrected, means इसमें कुछ error था, okay, it was not showing the actual direction. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. सो जो इसमें जो एरर था उसको करेक्ट करने के लिए अलाउंस में उसने कुछ कंपनसेट करने की कोशिश की कि ओके दिस मच एरर इज देयर, सो ही वुड कंसिडर दैट while calculating the actual data or parameters. And he tried to find out the westerly currents, means some heavy speedy winds and waves from the western direction which were going through the Indian Ocean at that time. So he tried to find out the estimate of the influence. उन हवाओं का, तेज भावों का प्रभाव जानने की उसने कुछ कोशिश की उससे कंपास की वजह से. About 2 p.m. I went on deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degree. 2 p.m. in the afternoon he went on the deck and he asked Larry, okay, Larry means Larry Vigilant Habsegler. He was an American crew member. So उससे बोलते हैं कि शिप को 185 डिग्री पे टर्न कीजिए, घुमा दीजिए, मीन्स दे वर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द आइलैंड. इफ़ यू आर लकी, आई टोल्ड हिम विद ए कन्विक्शन, आई डिड नॉट फील he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. So he said, if you are lucky, obviously we can reach there at 185 degree, we can reach the Ile Amsterdam. और मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा विश्वास दिलाया. I did not feel he could expect, but he says that मुझे नहीं लगता था कि शाम को 5 बजे तक भी हम उस आइलैंड को देख पाएंगे पास पे जाकर, ओके. एनी हाँ उसने बोल तो दिया कि 185 डिग्री पे शिप को लेके चलिए, बट भरोसा उनको नहीं था. Then with a heavy heart I went below, climbed on my bunk and amazingly dozed off. So heavy heart means disappointment with sadness. मैं अपने बंक में गया एंड डोज्ड ऑफ, वहाँ जाके सो गया. व्हेन आई वोक इट वाज 6 p.m. एंड ग्रोइंग डार्क. 6 o'clock इवनिंग में उठते हैं एंड दैट टाइम डार्कनेस वॉज प्रिवेलिंग ऑल राउंड, मीन्स शाम होने वाली थी. आई न्यू वी मस्ट हैव मिस्ड द आइलैंड. मुझे लगा कि हमने आइलैंड को मिस कर दिया है. वी हैव लेफ्ट इट समवेयर एल्स एंड वी आर गोइंग इन रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. एंड विद द सेल वी हैड लेफ्ट वी कुडंट होप टू बीट बैक इनटू द वेस्टर्ली विंड्स. And he says that sail means whatever curtain or the sailing curtain was available with them, उनको नहीं लगता था उसके साथ में वो वापस से इन वेस्टर्ली विंड्स को पार करके जा पाएंगे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो बिल्कुल लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज के साथ में वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे. एट दैट मोमेंट ए टसल हैड अपीयर्ड बाय माई बंक. सो आफ्टर दैट he could see tousled head means a head with uncombed hair and hair spreading all over फेस, ओके, अनकॉम्ड, अनटाइडी. सो उसी समय एक चेहरा उनके सामने, ठीक है, मेरे बंक के अपीयर्ड बाय माय बंक, मेरे बंक के पास में मैंने एक ऐसा चेहरा देखा. एंड वाज दैट हुज फेस वाज दैट हिज सन एंड हिज डॉटर. कैन आई हैव ए हग, जोनाथन आस्क्ड. शू वाज राइट बिहाइंड हिम. सो जोनाथन हिज सन आस्क्ड, कैन आई हग यू फादर, एंड शू वाज अकम्पनिंग हिम देयर. दोनों बहन भाई वहीं पे आए हुए थे. It means they were quite happy there. They had seen something. What was seen by them? Why I am getting a hug now, I asked. Because you are the best daddy in the world and the best captain, my son replied. So his son was quite happy. He had seen the island. That's why he congratulated his daddy and he said, you are best daddy in the world and you are the best captain. Not today, John, I am afraid. By that time, गॉर्डन कुक को नहीं पता था कि उसने आइलैंड देख लिया. सो ही वॉज डिस्ट्रेस्ड, ही वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड, निराश थे. वो बोलते हैं कि आज तो मैं कम से कम ये सब नहीं हूँ. neither I am best daddy nor I am a best captain. Why you must be, said Sue in a matter of fact voice. Fact voice means when a voice contains truth, okay, conviction. So he said, why you must be? No, you are, okay. You found the island because you have found the island, Ile Amsterdam. What, I shouted. At that time he explained with joy. Okay, he was surprised to hear these words from his son and daughter. It's out there in front of us, they chorused. वो एक साथ बोले, so you can see the island. It is in front of us, as big as battleship, and it is looking like a battleship, not too big. Okay. I rushed on deck and gazed with relief at the stark outline of Ile Amsterdam. So, that is captain captain of the ship, Gordon Cook, went on the deck, means on the floor of the ship, and gazed means घूरना, देखना, stare at something, look at something continuously with relief at the stark outline of Ile Amsterdam. Stark, clear, okay. It was clearly outlined. You can say he was able to see that island clearly from the distance. It was only a bleak piece of volcanic rock. So it was a small piece, and bleak piece means, you can say bleak is weak, it is not so strong or heavy enough. So volcanic rock, it was a result of volcanic eruption which got cooled and took the shape of an island with little vegetation. There were some plants also, means some jungles, you can say, some trees. The most beautiful island in the world. Of course, it was most beautiful island in the world for them at that crucial point, because of that island they could survive. We anchored offshore for the night, and the next morning all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. So they anchored offshore means from a distance they anchored, they stopped their ship at some distance from the that is seashore or beach of the edge of the ocean. Throughout night they stayed there. In the next morning, 28 residents of that island welcomed them, they cheered them up and helped them to come on the land, come on the island. Ashore means किनारे पे आने में उनकी मदद की. With land under my feet again, my thoughts were full of Larry and Harvey, cheerful and optimistic under the direst stress, and of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. So when he reached the island, he was very happy. He was very proud of Larry, Harvey, his wife. In the direct stress means extreme stressful condition, बहुत ही तनावपूर्ण स्थिति में उन्होंने सबका साथ दिया. So he was very thankful to all of them, and who stayed with at the wheel for all the crucial hours. Mary, जो कि व्हील को हमेशा हैंडल करती रही, उसको टैकल करती रही उस डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में, उसका उसने थैंक किया. मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थॉट ऑफ a 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury. We subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and skull, and of 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. So at the most he was very thankful. He was very proud of his son and daughter, particularly his daughter, who did not report about her actual injuries to his father, because she didn't want that her father should get disturbed in the attempt of saving them, and in the attempt of saving their ship. She was so injured that she had to go for 6 operations, minor operations, because a blood clotting took place. ब्लड का एक क्लॉट उसके स्किन के एंड स्कल में, मीन्स हेड में एक ब्लड का क्लॉट बन गया था, और उसको निकालने के लिए 6 ऑपरेशन करने पड़े थे. एंड his 6-year son Jonathan, he was very proud of him because he did not afraid of dying in that situation also. Dear students, in the next session we will discuss its questions and answers. Thank you.